With the Fognail, you fight the fire from outside or from an adjacent room. The knife pike hammer makes it easier to punch a hole for the Fognail. For walls that are hard to get through, you can use the drilling machine with a drill for every need. You get a more efficient fog with smaller water drops because the total surface is increased. Let's see how efficient and effective the Fognail is. 2 rooms are all in flames. To put out the fire, we engage 2 Fognails, 1 in each room. Now the water flow is opened up and the Fognails start spreading the fog. And now the fire is practically put out. It took just 12 seconds and we only needed 6.3 gallons of water. Since most of the water converts to steam and leaves the room through the windows, the water damages are extraordinarily small. The Fognail is available in 2 models. The Fognail Attack throws the fog about 10 yards forward in a cone with a 35 degrees top angle. The other fog jet, the Fognail Restrictor, makes a cone with a 6 yards diameter. The Fognail yields only 15.5 gallons a minute at 8 atmospheres pressure. We will now show the Fognail creating fire breaks. We will let the middle part of the house burn down except the sides. 2 fire breaks are formed. In the attic, we put in 2 Fognail restrictors and 1 Fognail Attack on each side. On the ground floor, we put in 1 Fognail restrictor and 1 Fognail Attack. To prevent the fire from spreading under the files, we remove them in a row from the ridge to the gutter. The row is covered with water, and all the time we make sure that the fire doesn't cross the fire break. As you can see, the Fognail causes an impressive amount of steam to develop. Now you can see that the Fognails had no problem defending the fire breaks. Here you can see the fog from 3 Fognail restrictors used in a fire in an attic. A greater distance between the Fognails prevent the fog shields from intersecting, subsequently resulting in less water damages. This is an intensive fire in an open attic. The first Fognail will be punched in at the center of the fire. We have to stop the fire from getting through the roof, because that would make it even more intensive. Here we see the first Fognails being punched in through the roof. Now opened up for water. And now the fire is practically put out. It took only 16 seconds. The 2 Fognails used 4.2 gallons of water each. The total amount, only 8.4 gallons, keep the water damages to an absolute minimum. Just a relatively safe final extinction and airing remains. This new technique, using fog nails, has two great advantages. First, that the atomized fog minimizes the water need. Secondly, that no oxygen is let in, since no doors, no windows and no holes in the roof are opened up. You simply keep the fire indoors and control the water from the outside.